taking the next special case about the negative values to odd and even powers. Okay, for example, I have minus a to the power of m, minus a whole raised to the power of m. Then it is equal to straight away a to the power of m if m is even. Correct? And minus a to the power of m, minus a whole to the power of m is equal to minus times a to the power of m if m is an odd number. Okay. Likewise, this result is used widely. Minus 1 to the power of n is equal to 1 if n is even, and minus 1 to the power of n is equal to minus 1 if n is odd. Okay. Now the logic here is this, that how we can write this minus 1 to the power of n is 1 if n is even, and so on. The logic here is this, that if I have minus 1 to the power of 5, okay, so minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So here minus 1 is going to multiply 5 times. Okay, so minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus, and we are left with a single minus sign multiplying. So this will be equal to minus 1. So a product of negative quantity odd number of time gives me negative quantity. Therefore minus 1 to the power of 5 is equal to minus 1. So minus a to the power of an odd value is equal to minus a raised to the power of that same odd value. Similarly, if I have minus 1 to the power of 4, for example, so this will be equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That is minus 1 multiplying 4 times. So minus 1 raised to the power of even value is equal to a times a raised to the power of the even values, and the minus sign would be removed. Okay, so this is the logic behind the result that the negative values to odd and even powers are solved. Okay. Next is the different way of thinking about nth root. Okay. So taking a point that x to the power of n means x multiply n times. Okay. X to the power of 3 means x multiply 3 times. Correct? Now, what about the nth root? What about x to the power of 1 by 3? So, when we talk about the nth root of x, this means a number c which is going to multiply n times, so that the product of the c n times is equal to x. Okay. Similarly, x to the power of 1 by 3 means a number a which is going to multiply 3 times to give me x. Okay. For example, if I have 16 to the power of 1 by 4, so this means we have to break 16 into a number, for example a, which is going to multiply 4 times to give me 16. Okay, and we know that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times is equal to 16. Therefore, fourth root of 16 is equal to 2. So this is the different way of thinking about the nth root. These were the special cases. Okay, now you're ready to solve the problems related to laws of indices. Okay.